Hello and welcome to a series of short videos in which we'll work through the solutions to the Edexcel Core 2 paper from January 2008. Question 1. Find the remainder when x cubed minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 8 is divided first by x minus 3 and then by x plus 2. Well, here we're going to use the remainder theorem. And I'm going to begin by saying let fx equal this expression x cubed minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 8. And the remainder theorem says if we divide in by x minus 3, then the remainder will be given by simply f of 3, the value of x that would make that expression 0. So I just have to work out f3. f3 is equal to 3 cubed minus 2 times 3 squared minus 4 times 3 plus 8, which is 27. 3 squared is 9, minus 2 times 9 is minus 18, minus 4 times 3 is minus 12, plus 8. So we've got 27 plus 8, 35 positives, 18 and 12 makes 30 negatives, so plus 35 minus 30 is equal to 5. So the remainder is 5. Now, using the same principle, the remainder when we divide fx by x plus 2 will be given by the remainder equals f of minus 2. And again, that's the value of x that would make that expression 0. So let's calculate f of minus 2, which is minus 2 cubed minus 2 times minus 2 squared minus 4 times minus 2 plus 8. Minus 2 cubed is minus 8, 3 negatives multiplying to a negative. Here I've got 3 negatives again, 1 there and 2 there when I square the bracket, so 3 negatives multiply to a negative, and 2 times 2 squared is 8. Minus 4 times minus 2 is plus 8, and then we have the final plus 8 on the end. So that comes to minus 8 plus 8 plus 8, which is 0. So the remainder is 0. Now what that means is x plus 2 is actually a factor of fx, and we'll be using that in the second part of the question. So x plus 2 is a factor of x cubed minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 8. And we're asked to solve the equation x cubed minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 8 equals 0. Well, x equals minus 2 will be one of the solutions. To find the other solutions, I'm going to divide this left-hand side by x plus 2, so we have the quadratic factor that goes with this linear factor. So x cubed minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 8 divided by x plus 2. Now what do we multiply x by to get x cubed? Answer, x squared. X squared times x is x cubed, but the x squared will also get multiplied by this plus 2, so we get plus 2x squared. We subtract, the x cubes disappear, minus 2x squared minus plus 2x squared is minus 2x squared, which is minus 4x squared. And we bring down the next term. Now what do I multiply x by to get minus 4x squared? Answer, minus 4x. Minus 4x times x is minus 4x squared, and minus 4x times plus 2 is minus 8x. Subtract and the x squareds disappear. Minus 4x minus 8x is minus 4x plus 8x, which is plus 4x. Bring down the next term. What do I multiply x by to get plus 4x? Answer, plus 4. Plus 4 times x is plus 4x, and plus 4 times plus 2 is plus 8. And we see there's no remainder, and of course we weren't expecting a remainder because we'd already shown that x plus 2 was a factor of this expression here. Now I can rewrite the equation as x plus 2 multiplied by x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0, because this expression here is that one multiplied by that one. Now, can we factorize the bracket, the quadratic bracket, on the right? Two factors, an x in each, and I want two numbers that multiply together to give plus 4 and add together to give minus 4. So that will be minus 2 and minus 2. Minus 2 times minus 2 is plus 4, and collected together, minus 2 gives minus 4. So the solution, setting each bracket equal to 0 in turn, x equals minus 2, the one that we already knew, and these two brackets both give the same root, so it's a double root, x equals plus 2. When x is plus 2, that bracket is 0 or that bracket is 0. So it's a cubic, but it only has two roots. And that concludes question 1.